Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So after some volatility displayed in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin was seen trading at around $23,000 mark. So most altcoins are also quite stagnant on day-to-day basis, but one of the outperformer is Binance Coin, which is up actually 3% in the last 24 hours. So as a result, BNB has claimed roughly around $300 mark, which was not seen in the level in the last 2 months. So IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading down by 2% at 32,595 points. Bitcoin was down by 2.3% over the last 24 hours and is trading at $22,900 level. So, and actually if we compare the Bitcoin performance in the last 7 days, it is only down 0.6%. So the primary cryptocurrency ended last month on a high note, charting a 6-week high and ending its negative streak of 3 consecutive months, which closed in the red. However, if you talk about Ethereum, which is down by 2.4% and it was trading at $1,620 mark. According to a recent report by Nansen, about $2.7 billion was spent by Ethereum holders on minting non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. And Nansen report also found out that roughly around 1 million wallet addresses that minted NFT on Ethereum were unique. So if you talk about the overall cryptocurrency market that edged lower on Thursday, as investors turned cautious ahead of the US job data and stock futures, which were pointing a risk aversion to speculative assets. And volatility is something which has continued to be the hallmark of the markets across the globe amid concerns over deceleration in the economic growth momentum. And if you talk about the US government bonds, which has stabilized over the choppy days of trade, while the dollar, if you witness, has weakened against a basket of cryptocurrencies, and gold prices have actually risen. So if you talk about the other altcoins, Solana Sol was down by 1% to trade at $39. Ripple XRP token was down by 1.4% down at $0.37. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2% to trade at $0.5. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $23, down by 1.3%. Shiba Inu was also trading lower by 1.3%. Polkadot was trading 1% lower at $8. Doge, the popular meme coin, was down by 2% at $0.07. Polygon Matic also lost 3% to trade at $0.90. But the only coin which is trading higher was Binance BNB, was up 2.7% at $300. So Binance has appointed co-founder Wai to oversee its venture capital arm. That's the news, keep an eye on it. Binance Lab, 2 months after raising $500 million for a new fund focused on Web3 and blockchain investments. So let's get a technical perspective view from our technical expert, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on 3.0 TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me here. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. And this is the daily chart. And we can see that, there is a very lag trading activity happening in the Bitcoin. And that's the reason, you can't see a price which is going up or down, in one direction. And you can see, through the volumes as well, that the price is not making much momentum here. So what we can expect now, again, you can take up a support at 22,600, which is this level. Also, we have this trend line level. So this, again, this level is an important one. Plus, we are not getting much selling here, so we can definitely look at this particular level, where we can see that this level will act as a very, very crucial support level for the Bitcoin. And for the resistance, we can take up a 25,800 level. So again, since there is a very less trading activity, no momentum is there. So what you can expect, expect the same area, same levels for the upcoming days. And the moment we will start getting good momentum, then it will be something where we can see one direction which is clear for a trader. So you can definitely look at this area, and this area is an important one. So again, for price to go up or to go down, it has some good volume, some good number of traders, and then you will see the momentum. And the same thing you can expect in the Ethereum. Let's go into that chart. So here also we are getting the same thing, that price is basically looking little weak to go up and to trade higher than this particular resistance of 1725 and the 100 EMA level, which is clearly showing from the momentum, from the candles, from the volumes as well. Now, if we get a good upside momentum, then only we can see a breakout or something towards the resistance. And one more thing which looks interesting, that here at this point, if you talk about Bitcoin or Ethereum, you are not getting much sellers, you are not getting much buyers. So which means one clear direction will be decided once either of these two parties will enter in full force. So this is something you can look at here. And again, till the time the price is trading in a range, you can take up a resistance of 1725 as the resistance, and you can take up a support at 1510. So this is for the Ethereum. Now if I talk about the IC15, since mostly the same situation is there, because it's just you will see the IC15 performance, which is mirroring to the top 15 cryptocurrencies performance. So here also the price is not able to close above then this resistance area of 33,846. So what you can expect, you can just take up a resistance at 33,846, because not much momentum to the upside or downside looking we can see here, which is not looking for this index. And you can take up a support at 29,000. So these are the levels. So this is for the IC15 index.
Thank you so much, Ayushi, for giving a technical perspective view. That's all there is in today's The Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.